Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can get a code from the elements in Framer. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to your Framer account and once logged in, choose the project that has the element that you want to get a code from. So, click on it. Once inside the project, select the element or elements that you wish to get the code from. And then, on the right panel, we're going to scroll down until we see this code overrides. Click on it, then scroll on again, and we're going to click on Edit Code. And from here, we're going to see the code that corresponds to the elements that we just selected. Just copy it, and this code is now ready for use. So, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!